upgrade your application from any lower version to the upper version, we have a table in MSI which will help us to do this upgrade. Mostly if you are going to get a vendor MSI, for most of the application, this upgrade table will be existing only either during the time of capture, or maybe if some of the vendor have not designed the upgrade table. In that case, we have to create this two table which is there in the screenshot, and accordingly give few values so that our application can be upgraded from a lower version to newer version. So when we are going to upgrade from lower to newer version, we are going to install new files, we are going to install new registries, delete the older ones and all that, so that our version gets upgraded. So the important thing which respect to upgrade is, and why it is called upgrade, that we, for any application, we have both upgrade code also and product code also. The product code remains the same, sorry, the product code will vary from application to application. So for an example, you have any MSI application version 1 or 2 3 4 like that. So all the version will have different product code, but all the version, either it can be 10 version or 20 version, all the version will have the same upgrade code. That is the reason that upgrade table will help us to upgrade the application. So upgrade is a process of updating the earlier version of a Windows installer package, that is adding, changing and deleting new files and registries. The upgrade table contains information required during major upgrades to fully enable the installer upgrade capabilities. Every package should have an upgrade code property and upgrade table. So what you have to do, you have to go to the upgrade table, you have to create two rows. So both the rows will have the upgrade code. So if you see the screenshot, both are having the same code. So that is the upgrade code. If the product code would have been there, the product code will vary. Product code help us to do the uninstallation, and upgrade code will help you to upgrade the application. The upgrade code property in this column specifies the upgrade code of all products that are to be detected by the find related product action. So there is an action name as find related product, which gives you the way to identify that which version is installed in user's machine and what is the updated version which we are trying to install in user's machine. And as per that, it will detect that the application is same but the version are different, and that is how our application will be upgraded from from lower version to upper version. The upgrade code property is a GUID representing. It is same like a component. We have a graphical unique identifier. Same way, our upgrade code is also the similar way. It is a GUID representing a related set of products. The upgrade code used in the upgrade table to search for related version of the product that are already installed. So it will help us to identify that which is the version which is already installed in user's machine. The upgrade code stored in the upgrade code property should remain the same for all version of a product, which I already said. Either you have a 10 version or 15 version, but the upgrade code is not going to change. It will be same for all the application. With respect to application, it will change, but with respect to application, same application but different version, it will not change. Now you are going to create a two row. Then we will have few columns, like we have version minimum, we have version maximum, we have language, we have attributes, we have remove, we have action property. Now in one section you have to provide the maximum version, in other we have to provide version minimum. But if you will see, you will say both are having the same version. So for an example, you have a version 1. Now you are trying to upgrade to version 2. Then version 2 you have to specify, which is the updated version. So this version max and version minimum is the updated version of my application, not the lower version. It is the updated version. Just that in the place where we have specified the version maximum, at that place the action property should be Wix upgrade detected. And in the minimum, you have to provide action property as Wix downgrade detected. With this, you have to remember max is upgrade, min is downgrade. This is the easiest way to do it. Now, with respect to attributes, that I'll explain in the later slide, why we have given attributes 513, why we have given 2. It has a value.